Hello everyone. As sheer boredom, I decided to do the mathematics behind Noah's Ark, the flood specifically. In order to do this, we first have to find how much water there was. So, we have the radius of the Earth, the average radius, and then we have the height of Mount Everest, right there. The height of Mount Sinai, we'll get to that later. So, to find the volume, here's the formula. And V0 is the initial volume that was there before water poured in. And then V is the new volume after the flood. And this R value is from adding the radius of the Earth to the height of Mount Everest. We add those two up. Well, we do that later, but here are the two values in case you're wondering. We then add those two up to get how much water there was. Quite a lot, isn't it? And it was 7 days, raining for 7 days, so I converted all this into seconds. And then I found how much water there was per second to come up with 7.618 times 10 to the 12th meters cubed per second. Now all that water has to go somewhere, so I took the latent heat of water and I gotta find how much water was evaporated. So the volume of the water after the evaporation is the radius of the Earth plus the height of Mount Sinai. So I got a new volume of that, and for the, and again, delta V to get the amount of water that evaporated, which is that. And then I converted meters cubed into kilograms of water, so that way I can plug it into this formula. The mass of the water times the latent heat to get the amount of energy that went into evaporating it. And then I converted that to joules. And then I have the formula for work. And then 40 days, because he was on there for 40 days. So again, I converted that into seconds. Work is the amount of joules per second, so I got an overall of 2.341 times 10 to the 21st watts. So, yeah, phenomenal figures if you ask me. Whether or not you believe this story is up to you, but I'm just giving you the bare minimum of what's required for this to work. If you think there's something wrong with my mathematics,